All right, so I'm gonna look at this one. Issue is the drive. It's not going forward or backward. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Let's see what's wrong with it. Okay, go ahead and flip it up, but I want to make sure that the gas doesn't leak out of it. So check what's going on here. Let me bring you around. All right. Let me get these. These are 8 mil. Try to access the gears here, transmission rather. Yep, said he was oh, well, that ain't no good. That looks a little suspect there, eh? Alright, well, let's see what's going on. Alright. Pins in there. Okay. What's going on here? Let's see. How's that rubber? How's that rubber? What's going on here? All right. Let's see how it's doing with the switching back and forth here. It seems to be switching back and forth. Let's clean up that shaft a little bit. May have gotten some ice in there. And yeah, let me clean up that shaft a little bit. All right. Clean up both of them while I'm in here. Let's get the surface rust off in that. Very important to keep that shaft nice and free of any kind of obstruction. That this needs to be sliding. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, this here needs to be able to slide back and forth very good. Very fine. Get the disc, any kind of anything laying on the disc or anything like that. Yep. Alright. So, let's see. Be careful not to pinch your fingers when you're doing that. But it works out. A little bit of rust there. Let's get some lube on there. Get a little lube on there. I like using this here. This WD-40 gel lube. It's non-drip, so it doesn't really get on your your wheel there. You're not. Ooh, she's frozen. Let me get a better can. Okay, that's lubed up nice and neat. Okay, now I'm going to get that rust off of this one here. Okay. Lots of stuff in here. Okay. It's just surface rust. Not too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up here in a minute and see exactly what's going on here. Okay. This disc down here has to be absolutely dry and free of obstructions. This one right here. So if any ice or anything like that gets up in there, you're going to have a problem. Not hunting a little bit. Yeah, okay. Well, that was it. Alright, get this cover put back on. It was a neighbor of mine. Having problems with it. Sometimes it's just the little stuff, you know. Okay. That's not too bad. Clean little unit. Yeah. Well, sometimes it's the little stuff. With that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless. Live to plow another day.